So this is our new ornament for this year. I gotta write all of our names, and Bebo is suddenly white this year because, oh focus, because they didn't really have anyone with Bebo, and his color is really hard to find because he is Merle. So I just got him his own separate ornament because it's not his first Christmas with us, but I definitely was able to buy more. So I'm gonna write Bebo up here in the bone, and that'll be his.
Your name, never let poor Rudolph join the reindeer games. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, they came after you, but instead of staying down, you went to the moon. And the day before Christmas, Santa chose you as the one. He said,
And welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. So I thought it was only fitting that we start off the vlog in the most Christmassy part of the house, which is the living room. And I guess he's here to say hi. You wanna come up? Hello. Okay, this is one of his favorite spots in the house because it is so Christmassy. Actually, I don't know what that's blah, blah, blah. I don't know if that's the reason, but he sure likes it here next to Mama. Anyways, the plan for today is that we're gonna go Christmas shopping, so we're gonna go to the mall, and it's the perfect time to bring you guys because it's actually start of my vacation, and we're gonna go somewhere next week, and I'm very excited about that. We're getting Christmas presents for other people. Usually I'm way more ahead, but there's not as much this year because everyone's kind of older, so we decided to like white elephant, so that'll be fun. These are patches because I just put them on, especially when I have the mask to be preventative, so thanks for dealing with patches. Okay, so one mall down and one more to go. It's pretty late now, and as you can see I did like a costume change because I realized, does it focus? Okay, well then I realized real quick that I cannot walk around in my boots because my knee hurts, so I needed to change it to somewhere where I can run running shoes, and I feel like this is the outfit, but outfit change again for new mall. Now our outfit change is complete. We're wearing all white over here. Let's take a look. Don't even mind my messy room because I just did so many changes today. Beanie, California beanie, Aeropostale vest, and I forgot Hollister sweater. So we're just rocking all white outfit, and that's that.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs?
What'd you say?
Remind me to never have kids.
And of course, is this really my vlog if I didn't change one more time? So right now we are in our pajamas and our little onesie. My cousin got it for us, and like the entire family's matching, and I thought it'd be fitting because Christmas. So let's go eat dinner and then get started with our Christmas night. So excuse the sound in the back because the mixer's going, but I do include sour cream because I find out that it makes the banana bread the most moist. I bet the word if you don't like it. I personally don't mind it, but it does give it that quality when you use sour cream. Literally the best sous chef a girl can ask for. Thanks, bro. Now comes from like my least favorite chore. The dishes. But we gotta get it over with, so. They are done. So I cooked this one for an hour, this one for about like 50 minutes, and then along with this one. The center of my cupcakes, maybe because of the sheets, were still undercooked when I took them out. However, because I let them cool down, the process is like it cooked from the outside in, so now they are perfect. I haven't tried these two, but I did loosen up the edges, that way they would stop baking as much. And same for this one. I did do the toothpick method, so hopefully that turns out okay, but we will see in a little bit. I just had to focus on how beautiful the tree is at night. We still haven't put the tree topper because we put that on December 8th. That's our family tradition, and honestly I'm getting like Cindy Lou Who vibes right now because I'm like by the tree and I want to be like, where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you? And I'm by the window, which I really should close because that's hella creepy. Anyway, I think we're just gonna do movie night and then we're gonna call that a night. So, good night, peeps.